you have the good fortune to automatically gain new customers every single day, like clockwork? Wonderful. Then I congratulate you from the bottom of my heart. And if that's not the case, I would like to introduce you today to a way where, in addition to social media, which is external, you can bring your customers back internally. In a manner of speaking, an in-house solution. Because with Webinar Ignition, you have the ability to inspire people, you have the ability to thrill them from heart to heart, and you have the ability to showcase your talents to the world. And if this resonates with you and brings you joy, then I would be delighted if you contact either Tobias or me to collaborate with you on building something that extends your skills, knowledge, and abilities, and even works on your platform. Please feel free to reach out to us at your convenience. We look forward to the opportunity to work together. Whether live or as a recorded video, the primary objective is that you can consistently attract your customers, your stakeholders to you without having to go from one door to another. To some extent, automated, however, with heart and goodwill maintained consistently throughout the entirety of the process. And if you are interested in that, then make sure to sign up below or on the page for a webinar to obtain even more valuable information and insights. And then you will immediately see how Webinar Ignition can be a method for you to conduct online webinars.